Good morning, dear hearts. All right, we are at lesson 262, another palindrome. Let me perceive no differences today. And the key word here is perceive. All right, perceive is perception. Perception is not knowing. Perception is that I'm thinking something, but I don't know it to be true. And when I perceive a brother outside of myself, I am not knowing who he is. And in not knowing who he is, I'm not knowing who I am, because I have believed that we are not one. And we are all one, as the Course and many, many other paths tell us, that we are indeed all one. When I separate someone from my mind, I have actually stepped away from the mind and the heart of God, and I have replaced that wholeness with separateness. And I will never experience, it's really already achieved, but I will never experience my own true happiness as long as I have my mind in a space of separation. Now, there's another part to this today for me, which I will share with you, because the Course says in so many times, all living things, all living things. So let me not perceive a difference between how I see me and how I see any other living thing. Wherever there is life, that came from God. God is life. God is love. The thought of God created life. When I perceive anything, any of the all living things as separate from me, as being less than me, then again, I have stepped away from the mind of God. Because all living things are part of the wholeness of who and what we are, what God is, all living things. And I'll tell you how this kind of percolated in my mind today, because it is a phrase that I love whenever I come across it in the Course. But as I was washing my hair, I got shampoo in my eye, and what I immediately thought of was how cosmetics are tested on all living things, and how painful it was for me as an accident, and how painful it must be for a bunny to have that done to them. So let me perceive no differences today. Let me perceive no differences between my eyes and the eyes of a bunny. Let me perceive no differences in anything that is of God, and that is all living things. We are all one. We are all part of the oneness of God. All living things. You, me, and things with multiple legs, all part of God. Okay? That's it for today. I know it's a little bit different than usual, but I hope you understood where my mind is and where I'm coming from. I hope you like, hope you share, hope you subscribe, hope you comment, and I will see you here tomorrow. And for those who celebrate, Shana Tova. Namaste.